Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, I'm Simone and I'm from the blog and YouTube channel Canvas Fashions, and today we have a special guest in studio. We have my friend Devon. Say hello.
Hey guys.
Okay, so for the title of this video, you can see we're going to be doing a 10-minute makeup challenge. So he's going to be doing my makeup in 10 minutes. So I'm going to start the clock when we start the video, and we're going to see what makeup look he does in 10 minutes. So if you want to see this video, then just keep watching.
So first you gotta spray that on. And then now I'm getting nervous. Okay, let's start with this stuff.
Okay. So what is that?
This is the concealer. So you're just gonna conceal just conceal all those little marks.
Press it if you need.
Okay, might look a bit spotty now, but
Okay.
we're just gonna take this brush and just smoothen it out.
Do any of you guys have money?
In my wallet.
Okay, cool.
Oh God. Can I just damp it a bit?
You can spray it.
Oh, spray it, okay. Almost never hurts anyone. Close your eyes. Really? So quickly. Wait, where's the... Is this the
Foundation.
Foundation. Okay. This is where it all starts, the building block for the dull story house. It won't come out. How many minutes?
Yeah.
Yo, why is it going so quick? Close your eyes. Sorry. Just gonna take some. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes again. Minutes. So I'm not putting too much on because I want you to have that natural look, and we've only got 10 minutes.
6 minutes.
Yeah, oops. Foundation is the most important one, especially when you're building a house.
This is my first house.
It's something like that. Okay, then we're gonna do some of this eyeliner stuff. So can you close your eyes? Just go on the top of the water. Okay. Then we're gonna quickly make a line. This is just to sharpen the edges. Where's that other one? The
eyeshadow?
no,
Blush.
The blush. No. It's
Which
like a
one?
gold. It needs to be.
Highlighter.
Yeah, highlighter. This is the highlighter.
Yeah.
And then normally just do a little. You just do it like you clean your shoes.
Clean your shoes.
And you can just use the same brush. Just to
How does it look?
I think it looks amazing. Okay, then just for the eyes, I'm gonna go with a nice natural, I think a purple would look nice. So, there's it is. Is that okay? Which, is it this one? I think so.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, and then just for a little bit of a glow. Hold on. Okay, there's the eye stuff.
Which mascara?
Yeah. Shit, it's still on your shirt, on your eye.
Maybe use a beauty with the sponge with concealer.
Where's that sponge?
There.
Right.
1 minute 30.
1 minute. Where's the lipstick?
There.
Where's the lipstick?
There. There's a whole lot.
Red. It's close. This one's fine. Thank you. Okay, how much time?
51 seconds.
Okay. Does this seem good? That's off. Just use edges.
Mascara.
I think that's
8
awesome.
seconds. Setting it. Spray or anything. Stop.
Thumbs up.
Okay, so that was a 10-minute makeup look. What do you guys think? Okay, I need to reveal it to myself. Do you want to bring the mirror and you can reveal it to me? It's not bad! Oh my word!
For 10 minutes.
Besides the under eyes, if you could have concealed it just a little bit more. But what do you guys think in 10 minutes? For a guy to do makeup in 10 minutes.
I think with a bit more practice I could charge.
I think
This was your
so.
free tutorial.
So if you enjoyed this makeup look that Devin did on my face, I hope you give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe. And if you want to see future videos with Devin, then just comment down below. But I'm very proud that you did such a good makeup look.
I was quite proud
Thumbs
of myself.
up. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this makeup look. But thanks for being on my channel.
Oh, thank you for inviting me.
And thanks for the pretty makeup look. I actually like how you did my lips.
Yeah, you just... and then it just goes together.
Guys, you put mascara on my brows.
I was running out of time.
Mascara on my brows.
Do they not look good though?
No, they look very nice. You could have just concealed a little bit. The blush was nice and subtle. Foundation was very good. Very, very good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Stay blessed. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Cheers, goodbye.